I have dreamt of this phone. I have anticipated. I have thought, ate, breathed, whatever English you can speak of. I have done that for this phone and it's finally here. Hey besties, welcome to the channel. So today, before I start, I have to guys tell me in the comment section if I am the only weirdo. Before I make a video, or I don't know, anything I do in life, I like to spray perfume and smell nice. Literally, before I make a video, I love to spray perfume. I love to smell nice while making videos. So for today's scent, I'm using the Suddenly fragrance from Dell and Amirat Al Arab from Asdaf. Don't ask me where the covers are because I don't know. So today guys, I'm going to unbox my new phone, the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Guys, I have dreamt of this phone. I have anticipated. I have thought, ate, breathed, whatever English you can speak of. I have done that for this phone and it's finally here and I'm so happy. Drum roll for the phone. So guys, I already unboxed this phone because I just could not wait. So I unboxed it and then I thought, I haven't made a video about my iPhone 15 Pro Max. And then I said I was going to do that. And here I am making the video. So here it is. If I haven't unboxed this, you take this off. Oof, don't disgrace me now. You take this off and you're going to see the phone. You're going to see the phone, and I peeled this stuff out. You peel this out and ta-da! It was supposed to be a blank screen. You're going to turn it on from here and it's going to come on and said hello. When I put on this phone and I saw that hello, I was screaming. I wish I filmed it, but I didn't film it. I didn't film it. So it was going to show the hello sign, and show you the country, the language, all those serene. And then it's going to come on. Guys, I have loved this phone from the first day I set my eyes on it. Not even from the first day I bought it. The day I literally saw it with my friend, I was like, this is the phone. Guys, the camera, don't play. I got it in, I think this is jet black. Did they even write it? Oof. Oh yeah, it also comes with this cable was folded in here. I already took it out, obviously. So this was here, this was here, like this. And let's see what's even inside. It has the Apple logo, and it also has this pin for when you want to remove the stuff for the SIM card. So it has all that in there. So this is my new phone guys, and I am so happy and I love the color. The battery life is superb. This is the biggest rave about this phone, the action button. So for previous iPhones, the action button was, set to only a mute and unmute button. But for iPhone 15, Apple decided to upgrade it, to a button that you can use for various things. Like, also you can put it as a mute button. You can also use it as do not disturb, reminders. You can set it to so many things. To be sincere, I don't even care. I just want to take good pictures and good videos. The audio quality is superb. The battery life is powerful. The audio quality, the video quality, the picture quality, and also it has 5 times zoom, which I find so good. And it also has this, I don't know what to call it, the autofocus. If I was to snap this and I take the phone really close to it, other phones it's going to be blur, but this you're going to see the soul of the picture you are snapping. If you put this close to your skin, you are literally going to see the soul of your skin. I don't know much about phone. I don't even care. All I know is It has a good battery life. The audio, video, picture quality is amazing. Yeah, that's it. And it's fast. And it has 5G. And I see most people say when they get the iPhone 15 Pro Max, it's overheats. It's usually so hot. I haven't experienced that at all with this phone. It's been a smooth ride since I've got it. Okay. And yeah, it doesn't come with a charger. It comes with the charging cable, but it doesn't come with a charger head. How do you sell a phone as expensive as this without a charger head? So I got this fast charger. This it's really fast and it's really nice. And also got this phone case, the pink phone case. See, I also got this. So let's put that in here and see how it looks like. Perfect. Perfect. Just for me. Okay, so what's on my phone? So I have I'll just screen record so I can show you guys. It's so beautiful. So I have this Snapchat, and then I have CapCut. You guys, those that know, those that get it. Like CapCut is for editing your videos and all of that. CapCut is the ish. It's simple and I don't have to stress myself. And I also have HiPeak. HiPeak is also, I think the same person owns it. CapCut, HiPeak, they are two pieces in a pod. Just that HiPeak is for pictures and CapCut is for videos. So I have that. I have WhatsApp. Okay, I have business WhatsApp, or I haven't set that up. I have Facebook. Okay, I have Google. I have Zenda. Obviously, I don't know why I have Zenda, but I do. I have Zoom for my online classes. I have YouTube, obviously. I have Koza Global app, my boo. So you guys, anyways, not all of you know, I'm no longer in Nigeria, and Koza Global is my church. And now I have to attend church online. So I have the Koza Global app, which is mwah. So I have Type AI, which I really don't know if I am going to use because it has a paid version, and the unpaid version is asking me to allow access to my data, which even though I know all other apps, even when you say no access, they still have access anyways. But this one is literally asking me allow access to your phone before you can use it. I'm like, what's even the need? I mean, the typing, what the keyboard is perfect for me, so whatever. That's it. Well, yeah, that's it. I mean, anyways, I have my other phone, all my app is still active in there. It's not an iPhone, you know. The previous phone before this one was an iPhone, but yeah, the one I am filming this video with is an iPhone. This is not an iPhone, okay? But the one I am filming this video with is an iPhone, so but I really didn't need to. So it has the whole what's it called now? It has the whole iPhone apps, the calculator, the photos, the calendar, FaceTime. I deleted some because I really don't need it. I mean, don't waste my space. So that's really much it. So guys, that's it for the unboxing. Very chaotic unbox with me, but I don't know how this video is gonna go, but just take it as you see it. Just know that I am excited about my 15 Pro Max, and I came here to show you guys, and also to, well, not unbox but unbox with me. This phone is a masterpiece. It's a beast. It's a beast, and I love it. And I love it. Would I recommend this phone for you? If you have the money, go for it. If you have a 14 Pro Max, I didn't use a 14 Pro Max, so I can't really say. But if you have like a 13 Pro Max or a 12 Pro Max or a 12, you should definitely upgrade to this phone. It's a powerhouse. It's amazing. It's beautiful. It's fast. I love it. I know I'm crazy, but I'll see you guys in my next video. And by the way, if you haven't subscribed, I don't know what you're still waiting for. You better subscribe. Okay? You better subscribe. Okay? Subscribe. Thank you. I love you. Mwah.